Good morning class. Today I am going to start chapter 7 of literature, Just Me, written by Tom Cross. It's a poem and it's a sing-song poem, means you can sing it also, and the theme of the poem is succeeding in life and not possessing ego because of it. So let's start with explanation of the lines, and I request you all to open your book. From the time I was little, I knew I was great, cause the people would tell me, you will make it, just wait. Here the poet said, since the time I was little, I was small, I was told by the people that I'm great and one day I will become a great player, but I have to wait for it. But they never did tell me how great I would be if I ever played someone who was greater than me. He said the people around me, they always praised me, but they never told me that how much great I am if I ever played with someone who is greater than me. When I'm in the backyard of my house, I'm king with the ball. To swish all those baskets is no sweat at all. He said, when I played in the backyard of my house, at that time, I'm the king with the ball. I can play better, and my ball that is in my control, and I throw all the balls in the baskets and without any sweat, without any tiredness. But all of a sudden, there is a man in my face who doesn't seem to realize that I'm king of this place. He said that, but the time comes when I play with someone who is greater than me, who is the greatest player of this game. So I face that person, and I faced that team who are the person who is greater than me. And he said that now the pressure is on me, the pressure of being in a match, the stress of being in a match. Now he said that no, I have to work hard, I have to rush with the ball, and his passes to teammates that go through the wall, and his jumpers, they are not falling, his hands, they are not balanced, his eyes, they are not concentrated. So he said that that is not my fault. If we lost the game, that is not my fault. The fault is of my teammates. Okay, the fault is of my coaches. The fault is of the referee. The fault is my teammates. They don't understand. The fault is my coaches. What a terrible plan. The fault is the call by the blind referee, but the fault is not mine. I'm the greatest, you see. So he said that the people around me, they always tell me that I'm great, so it's not my fault. If we have lost the match, that is not my fault. That is the fault of my teammates. That is the fault of the blind referee. That is the fault of the coach, but it's not my fault as I'm the greatest player of my game. Then finally it hit me when I started to see that the face in the mirror looked exactly like me. Then he saw his face in the mirror, and he realized that it is not the fault of my teammates or the coaches or the referee, but it is my fault. It wasn't my teammates who were dropping the ball, and it wasn't my coach shooting bricks at the wall. That face in the mirror that was always so great had some room for improvement instead of just hate. So now the poet, when he looked his face into the mirror, he realized that it is not the fault of his teammates, not the fault of his coaches, not the fault of his referee. It is the fault. It is his own fault, and he needs some improvement. Okay, if you want to win the game, he needs to be some improvement. So I stopped blaming others, and I started to grow. My play got much better, and it started to show. He said that after that, I stopped blaming my teammates, my coaches, my referee. I stopped blaming all that persons, and I started to improve my game and my play. Now after improving, after my play, it got much better, and it started to show. And all of my teammates didn't seem quite so bad. I learned to depend on the good friends I had. He said, now I play with the help of my teammates, and I'm following the instructions of my coach, and now I like myself better since I started to see. And now I'm feeling much better, as now I'm improving and I'm playing better, because I have stopped blaming others for losing the game. That I was lousy being great, I'm much better being me. He said that so that being great, it's a terrible thinking. Okay, that's a awful thinking, and now I'm being me, I have improved myself, and now I'm feeling much better. I stopped blaming others, and now I'm feeling much better. So it's all about chapter 7, Just Me.